So I have another share with you. Welcome back to my channel. This time it's my February design team project for Mrs. Cog's Crafts, and for this I've used her Rural Villages of England kit. You can probably tell I'm from the UK, and these are some really lovely cottage countryside vintage images. So again, I've made a small project this time. I've made my own ephemera and put it into this little folio pocket thing so that you could share it as happy mail if that's what you wanted to do. It's tied with sari silk. The front image is layered up onto vintage paper, muslin and card, and I've used some found quotes. I have a box of these. The box I have, this is just a few of them, have loads. I've been doing this for years but had got out of the habit, and then saw Nick the Booksmith do this recently on one of her videos and it reminded me, so I've done a little bit of that lately. So there's this, as I say, beautiful image on the front, and then inside probably again use a wider spine if I was doing this a second time, but we've got two pockets decorated with layered up die cuts, so they're like chipboard pieces, flower and a butterfly, just a photograph or a image from the kit on the back there. And then in this pocket I have a 4x6 journal card, a little booklet. Again, I've got an image on the front and the back, and inside I've done a bit of stamping, and then there's some vintage paper, some tea stained paper with, I think these are from Nick the Booksmith. There's some scraps I had left from a previous journal. So that's in there. I've got collage tag with a faux tea card. This is one of the cottage images that I've cut in half, or more or less in half, and mounted onto white card to give it a border, and then stitched it onto this collage tag with a bit of sari silk or ribbon, chiffon ribbon that is, and papers from the Prima Lavender collection, and then a final card, roughly 3x4, maybe a bit more. A little bit of sari silk to decorate that one. And then in this pocket we've got another large image. I've made a Tracy Fox style hanging tag with the another bit of that image, you know, cut in half to make a faux tea card. Sorry, I'm struggling with my words. I'm a bit out of practice. I haven't done a video for a while, as you probably realise. This image I've turned into a postcard, and I've used Be Happy Anywhere on it. Most of us would be happy to live in that cottage these days, but I'm not sure these little children were living there that it was, probably it was cold and damp. This is a Stamping Up stamp that turns that into a postcard. Got another 3x4 journal card, and I've cut cottage definition from a vintage dictionary, and it says labourers or villages, small dwellings, small country residence. Got a Roxy Creations style collage tag there, bit of ribbon at the bottom. And then I've made an envelope which is held closed with paper clip and charm. It's just layered with a bit of dictionary paper. And inside I've put the final image. I've used all the images from this kit. I think it's beautiful. She does a similar one which I think is called Cottages of England. So I may do something similar with that kit as well. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye bye.